Hello boys and girls, for this activity it is extra practice for lesson 5 that we completed in math. So for number 1, you're going to solve these problems. You can draw in or cross off cubes to show your work. So letter A, 10 more than 79 is blank. So either draw or cross off to show what 10 more than 79 is, and then write your answer on the line. B, 10 less than 81 is. So again, draw or cross off more cubes to show your work of what is 10 less than 81. Write your answer on the line. Remember, you can pause it after each problem while you work out your answer. For letter C, 1 more than 79 is. So draw or cross off to show your work of what 1 more than 79 is, and write your answer on the line. Letter D, 1 less than 80 is blank. So draw or cross off to show what 1 less than 80 is, and write the answer on the line. Number 2, find the mystery numbers. You may make a drawing to help solve if needed. So if you need to get your whiteboard and marker out to help you solve these problems, or if you need to use your cubes, go ahead and pause the video now to get your whiteboard marker or cubes to help you solve these problems. Do not guess. Letter A, 10 more than 75 is blank. So here's the starting number for the place value chart. They showed you the arrow way of plus 10. They added 10 for 10 more. Now fill in what is the place value chart to show what 10 more than 75 is, and write the answer on the line. Pause the video as you need to. Letter B, 1 more than 75 is blank. Remember, the first place value chart is for your starting number. Don't forget to write above the arrow to show the change in the number, and then what is the ending number? What does it look like on the place value chart? Write your answer on the line. Again, use cubes or use your whiteboard and marker to draw to help you figure it out. Do not guess. Letter C, 10 less than 88 is blank. What's your starting number? And then don't forget to fill in between these to show how the number changed with the arrow. And then what is the ending number? What does it look like on the place value chart? And then fill in what the answer is on the line. Letter D, 1 less than 88 is blank. What's your starting number for the place value chart? Don't forget, draw your arrow to show how the number changed. And then what is your ending number for 1 less than 88? Write your answer on the line. Number 3, write the number that is 1 more. So each of these numbers are different. For each number, you're going to write what is 1 more. So letter A, what's 1 more than 40? Write it on the line. Letter B, what's 1 more than 50? Write that on the line. And continue with these 3. Pause the video if you need to. Number 4, write the number that is 10 more. So letter A, 60. What's 10 more than 60? Write it on the line. Letter B, 70. Right? What is 10 more than 70 on this line? Then continue on writing what is 10 more than these numbers. Number 5, write the number that is 1 less. Letter A, 53. So on the line, write the number that would be 1 less than 53. Letter B, 73. On the line, write the number that it would be 1 less than 73. Then continue for the other 3, writing the numbers that would be 1 less. Number 6, write the number that is 10 less. So letter A, 50. On the line, write the number that is 10 less than 50. Letter B, 60. On the line, write the number that is 10 less. Just like on the previous page, if you need to get out your whiteboard marker or cubes to figure these out, do that, but do not guess. And the last problem, number 7, fill in the missing numbers in each sequence. So each letter has different sequence numbers with a line for the missing number. So you're going to count and figure out, what number comes next? So for example, A, 50, 51, 52, blank. B, 79, 78, 77, blank. C, 62, 61, blank, 59. D, 83, blank, 85, 86. And continue with the other letters, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Be careful, letter J is going to be tricky because they have 2 missing numbers. For this one, use the strategy that helps you. If you need a 100 chart or a 120 chart to help you, go ahead and use those strategies to help you figure it out without guessing.